Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1973 Chevrolet Camaro True Z28 car. Car's beautiful, recent body up restoration. It's finished in the antique white. Sorry, dust, as you can see that, it's just some kind of dust or something. Antique white with the black Z28 hood and deck stripes, black vinyl interior. Great looking car. This is 73. So this is actually the first year that you could get AC on a Z28, and this car has it. Good looking car, really drove out nice, air blows cold. Just a good car, man. If you're looking for a nice straight cruiser, I think you're gonna love this car. Paint slick. Couple little stone packs I've seen, but nice car. Front and rear spoilers. Again, it's got that cowl hood. Good looking car. What something? There's dust or something everywhere. I don't. Must be wax. Must be some wax remnants, guys. Well, the wind just blew something. Not real sure. Nice and straight down the side. Sits good. It's got 235, 60, 15s Cobras, or Coopers. Yeah, Coopers on the Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Then it's got the factory 15-inch rally wheels. Car's got a real good look to it. Of course, the front disc brakes, dual sport mirrors, 350. They've added a little cam to it, nothing crazy though. Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake, does have headers, power steering, power disc brakes. Again, it is a factory air car. They've replaced the, they've got the newer replacement for the AC compressor. 400 turbohydramatic trans. It's got an HEI distributor in it. Detailed up nice underneath the hood. This is a remote mirror and it does work. Looks like it's got the original door handles on it. Door rubbers look good. Factory black vinyl interior. They've definitely redone all the seats. Looks like it's got new carpet in it. Factory buckets, center console. It's got the factory tacking gauges. 69,757. That's supposed to be the right miles. It's got an aftermarket Retrosounds radio. I couldn't get it to come on. I couldn't get power to go to it. Dual exhaust, factory 10 bolt, 342 limited slip rear axle. all spackle coated in the trunk. Everything opens and closes nice. Clean underneath. They have put frame ties on the car. As always, there'll be photos of the cars on our website or the underside. Like I say, I drove it out. I mean, it really drove out good. Nice and tight. Again, the air blows nice and cold. Dash looks good. Got the air on it, blows nice and cold. It's a good car, man. Like I say, you can hear a little cam to it, so they've upgraded the cam a little bit, but nothing crazy. Tach works, boy, you can feel the air, it's blowing nice and cold. Temp gauge works, holding good oil pressure. Oh, that's the amps, I'm sorry. Fuel gauge. Oh, it doesn't have an oil pressure. That's right. Good sound. Couldn't get the radio to come on. Yeah, air's blowing nice and cold. Wipers are functional. No, we must have a turn signal out. We'll check it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys!